Akala ko nagbibiro talaga. Hindi. Kasi kasama to sa mga biro mo.
Beaches and coastlines, no? And yun, you would expect na buwisit, nakalimutan. Baglayan ako, naka-face mask. Saan nga naka-face mask? Malamang, jacket o bride, ito. In this episode, my friends, no, we get to explore beyond what you know about Ilocanos. In this episode, we get to explore what makes our Ilocano culture unique as any other culture out there, if not better. But rather than highlighting the things that you know so far about Ilocanos, we get to explore their hobbies, pastimes, and their interests. And if you're new to this channel, Ilocos catches everything Ilocos. The food, the place, and the people inside it. By the way, para mas masaya ang kwentuhan, why don't you hit that subscribe and bell notification para mas ganahan kayo to watch our episodes and to be notified of our upcoming episodes. So dati ito isang iti St. William's Cathedral, one of the 3 churches declared as Jubilee churches in Ilocos region. But here's another story of a hobbyist, in particular someone who collects Starbucks mugs. She claims she has 500 separate or different pieces of Starbucks mugs. Here's the story of Doc Ten.
Huyaban. I'm a doctor. I'm a physician. I specialize in ENT, head and neck surgery. I'm from Batak, Ilocos Norte. Although I've just been here for 15 years, but I'm an Ilocano by heart. And I am a Starbucks mugs and Starbucks items collector. So I have a total of, I think, around 500 mugs already. Siguro mga 250 icons ang meron ako. all from the different areas all over the world, countries all over the world. The smaller version of the icons, we call it the demis. I think I have like 30 pairs of that. And then, iba-iba kasi yung collections or series ng designs for the mugs. So, we have the You Are Here mugs. I think I have like mga 30 pieces of that. And then, for the Been There series, I think I have the less than 20 because it's a new series or a new design of mugs that Starbucks recently released. And then, plus I don't most of the time collect them. And then assorted kinds of mugs. I think I have like 100 or 150 other assorted designs of mugs ang meron ako sa collection ko. So, roughly, I also have tumblers pala. The tumblers, either the reusables, the ceramic, the metals, the plastics. I think they are around 100, 150 pieces of that tumblers. Siguro. Plus, I have also bags, umbrellas, my apron. I have the t-shirt. So, yun. I really love coffee. I always drink coffee every day. Parang makikita niyo naman sa social media, makikita mo, coffee is life sa kanila. So actually, one wall, meron ako ditong wall decor. It says, life begins after coffee. Ganun ako ganun ko gustong ang kape. So it's siguro but natural for me to have this kind of collection. Before, when I get to travel papuntang Manila or something, wala pa tayong Starbucks that time when I started to work here dito sa Ilocos. So, pag pupunta ng Manila, it's your chance to go to coffee shops. Wala naman coffee shops noon dito. So, I go to the different coffee shops, not really just Starbucks. But when I go to Starbucks, kasi Starbucks would always put up their merchandise, diba? Na naka-display. So, I get to buy a few things from them. So, and then the first collection, so I buy some mugs. And then the first collection, the collection started when my sister actually sent me the first international mug, the Las Vegas, when she went there for a vacation. And then, sumunod doon, a friend of mine went to UK and I asked him to buy me a Starbucks mug from UK. He didn't buy me a mug. He bought me 4 mugs. So from there, and then as another friend, pag bumabiyahe din siya, nagbibigay din siya sa akin. So from there, sabi ko, wow, mukhang pwede akong mag-start nito. May passion on coffee plus this one. So it looks actually, dahil lang sa magaganda silang tingnan pag madami. And then, another friend who collects also another item. She collects Coke items. Meron din siyang friend who also nagko-collect ng Starbucks items. So, she asked me if I would want to join a collectors group sa Facebook. Sabi ko, why not? And from there, doon ko na umpisahan. Tapos doon na nag-umpisa yung nag-grow yung collection ko. So, yun yung I started collecting siguro mga 2014 when the first mug from my sister arrived, and then sunod-sunod na yon. Because the Facebook group that I joined is not just a collectors group na nag-uusap tungkol sa mugs and tumblers, but rather it's also a marketplace where you can trade, you can sell, you can buy any Starbucks related items, just Starbucks related items. So this one is one of the items na favorite ko. One of the prized possession or prized na mug sa akin. Mahirap po siyang nabili. Actually, I posted this on Facebook kasi nakita ko siya na ilalabas, i-release siya sa US. So, medyo mahirap siyang binili. This is a Coffee Brings Us Together mug. This was limited release in the US to commemorate the opening of the first signing store of Starbucks. This is dedicated to all partners. So when we say partners, yun yung mga barista nila that are hard of hearing, mga deaf, mga mute. So that uses sign language. Because since I'm an ENT, well, deaf mutes have a special place in my heart. So actually, the shirt that I'm wearing, my finger spelling siya, sign language finger spelling of Starbucks. Yan. Talikod ako. Yan. Yan. Okay, so Starbucks. Yes, yan yun. Okay. The next item, of course, is the first mug that I got. This is, wala pa nga siyang SKU eh. Wala pa siyang SKU, but not the first item, but the one that, kasi I already have yung galing ng Manila. Pero bakit siya first international that I got? And then, binigay ng ate ko. And then, yun yung parang sabi ko, teka, mukhang maganda siyang collection pag kukuha ako from other countries. So, yun. Kaya siya, sa akin. Hindi ko to ibebenta. What makes this special? It's malaki siya. Actually, I have, isa pang kulang sa collection ko is the 1 gallon. I have meron na ni-release sa US na 1 gallon. Very, very few have them. So, ito na lang the next best thing that I have. This is 45 ounce. It's roughly 1.3 ml. 1.3 liters of coffee goodness when you use this. So, although I'm not going to use this. Okay, so let me give you a quick tour of the collection. So, most of this na nakikita mo are the icons. We call it the icons. Usually, it features yung city, either the city or tapos, syempre, kung ano yung distinct na tourist destination sa lugar nila. Parang ganun. So, yan. It's either city or country. Mga ganun. So, these are the city mugs. These are the country mugs. These are the reliefs. Ito ang tawag dito, relief. Yan. May gold, may black, may red, may blue. So, those who collects the reliefs, madami din to. Kaya lang, most of the reliefs that I got are local or mga bigay na lang sila. Tumblers. So, yan. So, kung kasama nung mga aking collection ng bag, yung collaboration ng Starbucks with Herschel. So, yun. So, yung mga bags ko, Herschel and Starbucks collection. So, 2 years na yan. So, sana wag na next year para di na magastos. And then, on this side, ito yung mga nakatago. So, of course, any collector should have this mug. This is the Pike Place Market mug, Starbucks mug. where the Starbucks first store. Yung first store ng ano. So, lahat dapat ng collector meron nito. So, there are two kinds of mug actually Yung made in China and made in Thailand. And then, those on the top are the artsy, ang tawag namin dyan, na mug. So, yun yung mga kinokollect ko talaga. Yan yung I have like 29 of the artsies, most of them from the different areas of Japan. Kung meron man akong i-give up, hindi yan. The Starbucks Japan artsy. Oo, yan yung medyo mahal. Kahit gaano sila kaliliit. Mostly dito, it's either from the US, tsaka yung Spain. Nung nagpunta lang ako ng San Francisco. Yan, ito lang. Ang nabili ko nung napunta ako sa ibang bansa. So, I also got this menu card from a dating partner, dating barista siya. And then, kasi tinatapon lang nila to Pagkatapos nung season, pag mapapansin mo ngayon if you go to Starbucks Red, although wala na nga silang halos ganito ngayon kasi nasa ano na lang. Yun, Red. Yun ang minsan sinasabi ko na bibilhin ko pero walang nagbenta. So, yan, isa lang. Menu card. Hindi ko to binenta nung isang dating partner. Kaya ako meron nito. So, yeah. I love this one. South Africa is not really a tourist destination. So, yeah. So, yan. South Africa. Nung nilabas nila to, as in, nagkagulo din kami doon sa group namin kasi nga, because wala naman madalas na pupunta doon. Some sellers who just go there pag mga halimbawa, lalo na pag they work for the airline industry. So, sila yung sila naman yung international mug mules kasi they buy, talaga siguro by anong tawag mo doon? Maleta yung binibili nila na items. They usually ask for pre-orders pag ganun. These are ornaments. We call this ornaments. Yung ibang mugs, saan ba yung iba kong I think nandun sa isang collection. Ceramic siya. Yes. Yung iba plastic, yung iba ceramic. These are the we have a collector na ang Christmas tree na pinuput up niya is made up of the ornaments. So, meron ding galing sa Tennessee. So, of course, I'm particular with Tennessee. Yun. Tapos, these are the demis. Maliliit lang sila. There are mga 3 ml. 3 ml nga ba to? 3 ounces pala. Hindi pala 3 ml. 3 ounces, ano ba? 3 fluid ounce lang sila. So, these are the demitas. So, this was released 2019. Before the 2018 na Starbucks and Herschel collaboration, para siyang camouflage ba yun? Ang tawag doon. Green and basta yun, para siyang camouflage. Well, this one, dito, both pareho sila. More of the love the earth na because it's reuse, recycle na kanilang thrust ng Starbucks. So it's mostly Herschel and Starbucks na collection. This one is special. In our collectors group kasi, one has a business of parang embroidery. So, naisip niya, gawa siya. So, ng mga tanggalin niya, tinastas niya, I don't know kung I think it's from another country. Tinastas yung original na country. So, and then pinalitan. So, hindi lang ako ang meron ng ganito. So, most of the collectors in our group has this one. So, kaya siya, yan. And wherever I go, kahit saan ako pumunta, na dala-dala ko siya wherever I go. So, if you browse through my Facebook page, I'm sure you will see him traveling with me. Yan. Okay, so yeah. Si Tenten, the Starbucks bear. collecting items takes, I think, 3 P's. Passion, patience, peso. 'Di ba? It takes ano kasi kailangan may passion ka. Gusto mo yung kino-collect mo. And then you have to be patient kasi kailangan mo silang alagaan. Kasi well, it takes mahal sila. So tapos hindi mo sila aalagaan. So yun yung so for any collectors out there who wishes to start a collection, then you have to think of collecting something that you are passionate on. So yun yung umpisa, dapat gusto mo yung i-collect mo, be it Coca-Cola items, toy cars, mugs, tumblers, bugs. So you have to be passionate about it. Plus, wag mo naman din ipilit pag hindi kaya ng bulsa. Kailangan talaga you only need to use extra money for this collection na So yun yung mga So and then it cultivates friendship kasi. When you start collecting, when you get to meet other collectors, you start friendship. I will not be able to meet these people or some people if I did not start collecting these items. And hindi na lang kami, we are way beyond collectors na we are already close friends every time I see them, or I talagang we schedule eating time. Most of the time we eat kasi. So eating time with them. So you get to meet new people when you start your collection.